In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event on your Wix website and also show you how to accept payments seamlessly. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to your Wix homepage. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the side menu and look for the section labeled Events. Click on it to access your event management tools. Now that you're in the Events section, the next step is to click on the Add Event button. This is where you'll start setting up your new event. On the page that opens, you'll see options for creating different types of events, but for our purposes, we'll focus on setting up a ticketed or an RSVP event. Both of these options are integral for managing both free and paid attendance. If you're interested in selling tickets, select the ticketed event option. On the other hand, if you prefer a simpler setup without payment options, go for the RSVP event. By doing this, you can still collect attendees' information, which is perfect for free events or gatherings. To continue, click on the RSVP event option. Once you have selected the type of event, you'll first type in the event's name. Make sure to choose something descriptive and catchy, as this will be the first thing your attendees see. Next, decide whether this is a single event or a recurring event. A single event happens only once, whereas a recurring event takes place periodically, like a weekly or monthly gathering. Choose the option that best fits your event schedule. After establishing the event type, you'll need to input the start date. This is crucial information as it is the date your attendees will mark on their calendars. Simply choose a date that aligns with your event planning. With the date set, it's time to choose the location. Wix allows you to specify if your event is at a physical location, online, or if the location is yet to be decided. Click Physical Location if you have a set venue, online for virtual events, or to be decided if you're still ironing out the details. Finally, once all the information is in place, proceed to click on the Create Draft button at the bottom of the page. This will save your event details and allow you to review everything before making it official. Creating events on Wix is an intuitive process, and with these steps you can easily manage attendance and payments. So whether it's a conference, class, or a party, you now have the tools to organize your event efficiently on your Wix website. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time.